friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? This is gonna be a crazy video. This is a retail arbitrage fourth quarter video. Show you how to chase one item, make a lot of money. So we are at, guess where? Walmart. And Walmart, I think they're the only people, I think they're the only ones that have this item. And we're about to show you what it is. But here we go. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I bought. Oh, wait a minute. They couldn't get them off the truck at that store. They said that they were so, they were in the back of one of the containers. They know they're back there. They couldn't get them off yet. They have 24 of the item. So therefore, I can't show you what it is yet. Don't worry. Traffic is Hades, as y'all can see. Never fear. We are currently 6 minutes away from the next one. So this one is supposed to have 20. So I'll let y'all hold the suspense a couple minutes longer to find out. Well, not really in y'all's time. In y'all's time, you go, man, that dude's crazy. He just told us like 5 seconds later. All right, so, oh damn, I didn't even know we had a Rural King. There's one over here in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Sorry, that was my phone hitting the ground. All right, I'll try this again. Take 2 different Walmart, looking for the same product. So we will go in, grab a basket, and find this one and see what's what. Hopefully this is a bigger Walmart. That last one was smaller. All right, there it sits. I've already sold 10 today for 60 bucks each. They are $19.92. So everybody always asks, how fast can you sell these things today? All right, so I picked up 27. You can see I did pick up those Funkos. They're a Walmart exclusive. So here's what you do. You list them from your phone. They are new. Match the low price. And continue. Oops, it's gonna ask me how. You tell it you want to ship it. You got 27. And continue. Submit. All right, I've got 20. That's all there is to Amazon Merchant for a field listing. I bought 27. I listed them before I get to my van. Let's see how long it starts to take stuff. All right, so Iuka, Mississippi, the size of the Walmart doesn't matter. This is an old single door. I have done very well at this store in the past. So let's go see how many of the Monopoly for millennials we can find. Currently, our total for the day, we have found 2 stores. We found 27. All right, that's 49 games. I've sold 4 of them so far since I've been on this trip. So I'm gonna see if I can't sell all these this weekend. This is a Friday, so hopefully my watch just beeped. So I just sold another one. That'll be 5. Hopefully by the end of the weekend, I'll be shipping like a madman because I'll have over 100 of these to ship out. That'll be great. All right, let's go to the next Walmart. 20 miles away. All right, there's the latest Walmart. Welcome back to the show. That's what 87 board games in the back of a Toyota Sienna looks like. We're currently at, I've sold 19 of them so far. So I'm in Selmer, Tennessee. I just snuck over to Tennessee line because it's like 10 miles from where I was in Corinth, Mississippi. Let's go back to Mississippi. Well, all right, everyone, welcome back. It's now it's Saturday morning at 7 o'clock, and yeah, I'm still at it. Yeah, take a look back there. So far, I'm up to 155 Monopoly games found and purchased, and I've sold 37. So I'm hoping to sell 70 or 80 and then send the rest in for FBA on Monday. But so yeah,
Still got, I've been at this now. I left home at 1 o'clock yesterday, so 1 a.m. was 12 hours. So I'm 18 hours into this. I still got 3 more stores to stop at, and I am, what, 2.5 hours from home. So I'll keep you updated. Look, big yellow orb in the sky. All right, hope you guys are enjoying the ride.
All right, so it's the next day. It's actually I skipped a day. I got home Saturday at 11:30 a.m. So that was nearly 22 and a half hours on the road. And here's what 22 and a half hours on the road looks like. Ended up with 171 board games. I have already sold 131 of them. So today, you can see there's a couple other odds and ends I picked up along the way, but not very much. I just didn't have time. So I have to ship 131 of these guys today. So I'll do some numbers here at the end, but it looks like I'm going to save 40 for speculation for the last week before Christmas to see what happens to the price. I mean, I could sell them all now. I could sell them all today and ship all 171 of them, but what's 40 more, right? So, all right, so I just want to put a recap on this item. So it was Friday night. The goal was to see how many I could pick up and how many I could sell. End up with 182 of the Monopoly from Millennials. I've sold 131 so far. That's for $77.29. If you take out the cost of them, which is $19.82, that's $3,389. Shipping average $9 each, so it's $11.89. So far the profit is $31.61. I've still got to get the Amazon fees. I haven't calculated yet, so that's $31.61 before Amazon fees, and I've also got 52 more, or 51 more, I'm sorry. And one of those is damaged, so I'll take it back. So there's only going to be 50 that I will sell, and I haven't decided how long I'm going to hold those. Miles driven, I went to 13, 14, 17 Walmarts in 22 and a half hours, drove 765 miles. I left Huntsville, Alabama at 1:30 p.m. and I returned at, actually I left at 1 p.m. and I returned at the following morning at 11:30. So just wanted to show you guys that one item you can make a lot of money extremely quickly. Retail arbitrage is not dead. There's some interesting things with this item. Check your restrictions. It is a restricted item. Friday night, as a matter of fact, they issued even more restrictions on Saturday morning. So, and even I, after selling 131 of them, was re-restricted. And I applied and got undone again. I think that was a blanket restriction they put on Hasbro. But I've got a 5 or 6 year old account, so it was no issue to get undone. So before you spend any money, before you chase these items, make sure you can sell them. The price is still holding. I think it's about $56 what the price is. A lot more sellers, but this item is, they're not going to order anymore, or there's no replenishments coming before Christmas. Not every Walmart got them, and less than half of what was out there is out there now. So there's going to be a sell-through on this thing that's pretty quick. So watch your prices, watch stock levels, and watch how many sellers. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I do one of these videos, I don't know, every 6 weeks or so. The last one was a Walgreens video. You can check it out. There's lots of, it's important. I think it's important to understand not the items, but it's more of the process. You know, this one was a quick travel, quick hit, listed merchant fulfilled, and it took me about 12 hours to ship all them things. So lots of fun. I like doing stuff like that. I like, the quick hits, the quick profit, the quick flip. And most people, Amazon pays every 2 weeks, and mine pays, my pay period ends tomorrow, so I'll get paid on Friday. So I spent the money on one Friday. I'll have the money back in my checking account with the profit the next Friday. So that's just in time for Black Friday to go chase something else. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. Hope you've learned something. Future videos I'll talk about, you know, how to identify. I talked about that in our live show Sunday night. How to identify these products and how to identify trends so that you can be on the cutting edge and remember, it's the Ricky Bobby School of Reselling. If you ain't first, you're last. Roll Tide.